Alright, let's be real for a second. AI is everywhere. It's like that one friend who suddenly shows up to every party uninvited. From your smart fridge to your toothbrush, everything's got a little AI sprinkled in. And now, it's invading our PCs. But is this a match made in Silicon Heaven or just another marketing ploy to empty your wallets? We've all been burned before by fancy tech that promised the world but delivered a whole lot of nothing. Remember 3D TVs? Yeah, me neither. So, let's dive into this AI-powered PC craze and see if it's the real deal or just a digital mirage. Get ready because things are about to get interesting. First up, let's meet our contender, the MSI Megvision X. This ain't your grandma's desktop, folks. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's got more AI than a sci-fi movie marathon. But the real showstopper, that touchscreen front panel. We're talking a full-on second monitor built right into the PC case. Need to check your email while gaming? Boom! Want to control your overclocking settings without digging through menus? Done. This thing is all about multitasking on steroids, and don't even get me started on the AI-driven cooling system. This bad boy adjusts fan speeds and power consumption on the fly, keeping your components running cool and quiet even during the most intense gaming sessions. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to keeping your PC from turning into a molten mess.
Now, let's talk about what all this AI actually does. Imagine having a sidekick who anticipates your every move. Need more CPU power for that epic boss battle? AI's got you covered. Want to stream your gameplay without lag? AI's on it. It's like having a personal tech support team living inside your PC, optimizing everything in the background so you can focus on what matters, crushing noobs and racking up those victory royales. And the best part? You don't have to tip it or offer it snacks. But seriously though, AI in PCs is all about making your life easier and your gaming experience smoother. It's about squeezing every ounce of performance out of your hardware and automating those tedious tasks that nobody enjoys doing.
Section 4. Streamers. Assemble. Is this your dream setup? Imagine having a workstation that not only meets but exceeds all your streaming needs. A place where every piece of equipment is designed to enhance your performance and elevate your content creation to the next level. If there's one group of people who might actually sell a kidney for the MSI Megvision X, it's gotta be streamers. These dedicated individuals spend countless hours perfecting their craft, and having the right tools can make all the difference. The excitement of unboxing a high-end desktop, the thrill of setting up a new gaming rig, it's an experience like no other. I mean, this thing was practically built for them. With its sleek design and powerful components, the MSI Megvision X is a dream come true for any serious streamer. The RGB lighting alone adds a touch of personality and flair to any setup, making it not just a tool, but a centerpiece. The dual screen setup alone is a game changer for managing chat, monitoring stream settings, and interacting with viewers all at the same time. Imagine being able to keep an eye on your game, your chat, and your stream health without missing a beat. It's like having an extra pair of eyes and hands, allowing you to multitask like a pro. And let's not forget about the AI-powered performance optimization. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a real, tangible benefit. The AI works behind the scenes to ensure that your system is running at peak performance, adjusting settings on the fly to prevent any hiccups. Nobody wants to experience lag or dropped frames during a crucial moment, especially when thousands of people are watching. It's not just frustrating, it can be downright embarrassing. The MSI Megvision X aims to eliminate these issues, providing a smooth and seamless experience. With AI handling all the heavy lifting in the background, streamers can focus on what they do best, entertaining the masses. No more worrying about technical difficulties or performance issues, just pure, unadulterated streaming. So, is the MSI Megvision X the ultimate streaming machine? It certainly has all the makings of one. From its powerful hardware to its intelligent software, it seems to check all the right boxes. It definitely checks a lot of boxes. But what about the finer details, the little things that can make or break a setup? The MSI Megvision X doesn't just stop at performance. It also offers a range of features designed to enhance the overall user experience. But is it worth the hefty price tag? That's the million-dollar question. For some, the investment is a no-brainer, given the potential for increased productivity and viewer engagement. For others, it might be a tougher sell. Well, that's a question for another section. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of this powerhouse machine. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, you won't want to miss it.
Section 5, Budget versus Beast. Can you put a price on AI-powered glory? This is the ultimate showdown between the high-end, feature-packed MSI MegVision X and the more wallet-friendly budget PC setups. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty details and see what you get for your hard-earned cash. Let's address the elephant in the room, the price. When you first see the price tag of the MSI MegVision X, it might feel like a punch to the gut. It's a significant investment, to say the least. The MSI MegVision X is not for the faint of heart or the light of wallet. This machine is designed for those who demand the best and are willing to pay for it. It's a premium product with a premium price. This beast of a machine will set you back a pretty penny. We're talking about a price that could rival a decent used car. But what exactly are you paying for? But hey, you're getting cutting-edge AI tech and enough power to launch a rocket, so maybe it's justified. The MSI MegVision X comes packed with the latest AI-driven features, from real-time ray tracing to advanced machine learning algorithms that optimize your gaming experience on the fly. But let's be real, not everyone has a bottomless pit of cash for their PC gaming habit. For many, the price of the MSI MegVision X is simply out of reach. So what are the alternatives? Thankfully, there are plenty of budget-friendly options out there that offer a taste of the AI life without breaking the bank. We're talking AI-powered upscaling, noise cancellation, and even some basic performance optimization. These features can significantly enhance your gaming experience without requiring you to take out a second mortgage. AI upscaling can make your games look sharper and more detailed, even if you're not running the latest hardware. Noise cancellation can help you stay focused by filtering out background noise, making your gaming sessions more immersive. Sure, it's not as fancy as a dedicated AI chip and a touchscreen built into your PC case, but it's a start. These budget options provide a solid foundation for those looking to dip their toes into the world of AI-enhanced gaming without committing to a high-end setup. When comparing the gaming performance of the MSI MegVision X to a budget PC, the differences are noticeable but not deal-breaking. The MSI MegVision X offers smoother frame rates, faster load times, and more detailed graphics. However, budget PCs can still deliver a highly enjoyable gaming experience, especially with the right tweaks and optimizations. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your priorities and budget. If you're a hardcore gamer or a professional who needs top-tier performance, the MSI MegVision X might be worth the investment. But if you're a casual gamer or someone who just wants to enjoy the latest titles without breaking the bank, a budget PC with AI features can be a fantastic alternative. In the end, whether you go for the budget option or the beastly MSI MegVision X, the goal is the same: to enjoy your gaming experience to the fullest. So can you put a price on AI-powered glory? The answer is, it depends on what you're looking for and how much you're willing to spend. Happy gaming!
Section 6, the AI revolution game changer or just a fancy marketing ploy? Now for the million-dollar question, or should I say the several thousand-dollar question, are AI PCs truly revolutionary, or are they just another example of tech companies slapping a buzzword on an overpriced product? This is a question that has been on the minds of many tech enthusiasts and industry experts alike. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, it's no surprise that companies are eager to integrate AI into their products. But is this integration truly beneficial, or is it just a way to justify a higher price tag? It's still early days, but the potential is definitely there. AI technology has shown promise in various fields, from healthcare to finance, and now it's making its way into our personal computers. Imagine a PC that can learn your habits, predict your needs, and optimize its performance accordingly. This could mean faster processing times, more efficient multitasking, and a more personalized user experience. AI has the power to transform the way we interact with our PCs, making them more intuitive, efficient, and user-friendly. For instance, AI can help in automating routine tasks such as organizing files, managing system updates, and even providing tech support. This could free up valuable time for users, allowing them to focus on more important tasks. And for gamers, AI-powered performance optimization and features like real-time game difficulty adjustment could be a game changer. Imagine a game that adapts to your skill level in real time, providing a more challenging and engaging experience. AI can also help in reducing lag, improving graphics, and enhancing overall gameplay. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While the potential benefits of AI PCs are exciting, it's important to approach this new technology with a healthy dose of skepticism. Not all AI integrations are created equal, and some may offer more hype than substance. There's a fine line between genuine innovation and marketing hype. Companies are well aware of the buzz surrounding AI, and some may be tempted to overstate the capabilities of their products. It's crucial for consumers to do their research and not be swayed by flashy marketing campaigns. Only time will tell if AI PCs will truly live up to their promise or end up as another forgotten footnote in tech history. As with any new technology, it's important to keep an open mind while also being critical of its potential drawbacks. The future of AI PCs is still uncertain, but one thing is for sure. They have sparked a conversation about the role of artificial intelligence in our everyday lives.